All right, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're an SMMA owner, I'm going to be giving you guys a onboarding checklist so you can onboard clients more frequently, streamline your onboarding process, make more money, set better expectations, and ultimately get more clients. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to today's video and the channel, as well as I upload every single day for SMMA owners like you. And Facebook ads, funnels, copywriting, delegation, system, software, it's all the things that you need to scale and grow your business here. So let's get into today's video.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency, so make sure you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
If you are onboarding clients into your SMMA very frequently, these things will help you streamline. So how we basically formulate things is, obviously there is the booked call, right? There's the sales call. And on that sales call, we make the client pay on that sales call. We don't do a 2-call close, we do a 1-call close, because I don't want people thinking about it or getting buyer's remorse or whatever the case may be, okay? It helps me streamline things better. After the client pays on that call, we give them deliverables to then streamline the onboarding process. So first things first is, after they pay, we send them a Calendly link. That Calendly link is going to then get them booked for their onboarding call. So that's what your account manager, your onboarder, your project manager, whoever that is in the business that's onboarding clients, onboarding their Facebook assets, setting up their tracking, getting their business manager ID so that, we can then request access to them and then become a partner within Facebook, right? Second thing we do after that is we then have them fill out a type form, okay? A type form is just a simple questionnaire that gets the client's information, the first name, last name, their billing address, what the current revenue is, what their URLs are, where your Google Drive folder link is, what's your website login, stuff like that, so that we can kind of streamline fulfillment. So now we have the client's information to do what? We have the client's information to know that exact information, their phone number as well, in case the onboarder needs to contact them outside of their onboarding call, or an account manager has to contact them outside of their, client communication within Slack, okay? So once that type form's filled out, also we have, a VA who is now able to get the contract ready. So the client paid, they got their onboarding call scheduled, they fill out that type form. Now my VA is now alerted to now take that address, the name, the email, the phone number, and then obviously make the client contract and send it to them through Honeybook. Honeybook is how we send all the contracts. It streamlines things so that we're not taking too much time on the sales call, because when you're booking X amount of sales calls a day, you have to keep revolving. You have 30 minutes, next call, 30 minutes, next call, 30 minutes, next call, and you don't want to have overlapping, because then you could miss a call, right? You don't want your sales team to be missing sales calls. That's obviously not the point. So then they have their onboarding call scheduled. We now have their contract being sent. What's the next piece? The next piece is that on that onboarding call, which you should only allow people to book within 24 hours, because if you let a client or a prospect who just bought wait more than 24 hours, honestly, they're gonna get buyer's remorse and they could pull out of the deal. They can say, listen, I haven't been onboarded yet. This is taking too long. I just want my money back, and that happens. So you want to make sure that that client's able to book that onboarding call within 24 hours, one rolling day. So on that Calendly, don't let them book 2-3 days out, only have one rolling day, so they only can book within 24 hours. It's just a psychological hack. The other thing that you can do is that you can get their Slack channel ready on the onboarding call, or you can simply make the Slack chat and then have your account manager, VA, or project manager make the Slack chat, and then basically get the Slack connect link and then text it to them. Be like, hey, welcome to Wojo Media. That's our agency. Welcome to Wojo Media. Join your Slack channel. And the Slack channel literally should be named client first name last name business name. That's how we formulate all of our client chats, so it's very personalized. And when that text message is sent, the conversion rate is 100%. Once they get into the Slack channel, there's really no more buyer's remorse. And then from there, now they're able to communicate within Slack within hours of them buying. They already fill out their type form. They have their onboarding call scheduled. You can start fulfillment, because now you have enough information to audit their, we ask them on the type form, what their best selling product is. Send us the link. What's your website URL? Where are you currently running traffic to? What's the link to that landing page or funnel? We have enough information to start doing strategy, start doing fulfillment. Maybe shoot them a Loom video on what kind of changes we want to make as far as copy or your offer, whatever the case may be, to kind of formulate a better, converting landing page. or a better converting offer, and then obviously formulate new ads to that. So you can start your fulfillment within 24 hours that way. And that's how I've been able to streamline that onboarding process. So I hope this video helped you. Just leave a like, comment down below any questions you have about your onboarding process, and subscribe if you are new to the channel. It means a lot. I'll talk to you guys in tomorrow's video, and peace.